Hello guys, so I wanted to show you the trade I took for our clients. The trade was a winner, $14,000 trade. It was taken on an FTMO account, client's account. So please stick around, I'll show you the psychology behind the trade and the analysis too. Right, so let's go. So this is the account. This was the trade. It was a EURJPY trade. It was 25 lots. I'll explain why. It took 25 lots, and then I took a second position on it when the market retraced. So you can see the result. It was 12,000 and 1,700. You can see this, the account is a 100k account. It's already sitting at $18,000 profits. Yeah, so this is an FTMO account. Yeah, all right, so let's analyze the chart and see how and why I took that trade. All right, so let me delete this. Sorry. All right, so this is EURJPY. So I'm a swing trader. I analyze on daily time frame and 4 hour, and then I take my trades on 15-minute time frame. All right, so in this case, so this is what we had. All right, so this is what we had. So my strategy goes like, it's a pivot point strategy combined with the chart patterns. So now what I saw was this. I have this pivot here, and then a second one here, and then a third one here. Remember, we are here, the market is here. This one you get them after the market has rallied. So after I see these 3 pivots, what do? I plot a line. Yeah, so remember, so since this is an uptrend, I plot a resistance. All right, so I already have my resistance there. So now for me to determine if I'm going to buy or sell, I carry over this. Okay, I'll just clone it. Let's clone this, and I'll carry over to make sure you put it at the lowest swing low of the trend. Yeah, I'll show also this on the uptrend, how you can plot. You can plot when you are looking for a buy position. So sorry, on a downtrend. So this is an uptrend. We plot a resistance. After finding the 3 pivot points, I'll show you how you can find the 3 pivot points on a downtrend. Okay, so since this is in the future, let's make it a dashed line. So now, what am I waiting for? So I'll just wait for some kind of a rejection here to see the market's buying, or if the market breaks, and then it will be a sell. All right, so at this point I didn't have a bias, but have been seeing this pattern for quite now, so I was very confident. I already knew it will be a buy. Yeah, so all right, let's see. So now what am I going to do? I've already plotted my line, so I'll go to my lower time frame. Okay, let's delete this. Right, so now this is my lower time frame. It's a 15-minute time frame. So what do? I need to plot the pivots again. Remember, this is now a downtrend. So I see one here, another one here, another one here. Okay, so how do you find these pivots point, guys? I do offer a mentorship program. It's a training. I do not sell courses, so I train 1-to-1 I train one-to-one on a Zoom call for people who are not in Nairobi, physically here near me, and I charge $1,300. Yeah, $1,300, and I do pro-farm account management, just pro-farm account management. I do not manage personal funds. All right, so let's continue. So I've already have my 3 pivot points, so I plot the line. Now see, this is a support I'm plotting since it's a downtrend. Yeah, so I do explain this in deep in my training program. If you feel like you cannot afford it, you can always purchase a pro-farm account. I'll manage it for you. Okay, so now this is a downtrend. Remember, I'm looking for a buy, or if the market breaks this dotted line here, dashed line, that means it will be a sell. So what do? I'll just clone this one, this line, and I carry it over. So where do I put it? I put it at the, you see, the swing, the highest swing high of the trend. Remember, on the other side we put the line at the lowest swing of the market here, because it was an uptrend. So since it's a downtrend, we put it at the highest swing high, the highest swing of the trend. So what do? So if the market breaks this line, you're going to buy. You're going to buy where? To the first plot, the first pivot points. That will be our TP. All right, so now let's see how it's unfolded. You see, we've already gotten our rejection here, a very, very big rejection. And remember, here I didn't have a bias, so if it could have broken this dashed line, I could have sold it. But I can see the market has been respecting this dashed line, so I immediately knew it will be a buy. All right, so after the market did this, yeah, after the market broke this line, immediately I took a long position to my TP is at my first pivot point, and my stop loss goes below this swing low here. All right, let's see how the market unfolded. You see over there, the markets barely touched our take profit. Yeah, so at this point I got a bit anxious, so I had to move my stop loss to break even. Why? Because now I had missed it. I had missed that. I was teaching and I had missed it. So when I came back, I found the market was here. So now after moving my stop loss to break even, so if this market breaks this low, then I'll be out. If it breaks this low, I'll be out. Okay, but then the market came to exactly that same point, so that's when I entered the second position. Stop loss still at the same place, and we target both the highs. Yeah, yes, so the TP was hit. The TP was hit, but today I want to show you something. I want to leave you with something you can learn. All right, so what is next for this pair? Let me show you what is next. So now, right now, the market is sitting still at this line. Yeah, and it's showing a strong buy. It's a strong buy, but in case, so now I'll be watching it. In case it breaks this line, it means it will be a sell. Yeah, and we're going to sell it where? We're going to sell it to the first keyboard. You see that zone? That's where you're going to sell it to. Alright, so thank you very much, guys. Hope you're enjoying your day. Share this video to your friends, family, people you trade with. If you feel like you need help, contact me. I'll leave my number on the screen. If you need mentorship, let me know. It's $1,300 and it's for a full month. And account management, I charge $30 for accounts that has less than 50K. And if you have an account which has more than 100K, I charge $70 to help you pass the challenges. For account management, it's another thing. We need to talk. We get to talk about profit sharing. Thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourself and happy trading.